just arrived at Antigua, so we're actually here on the cruise, and we're gonna see a man called Hans. He owns a shop named the Goldsmitty, and he's well known on this island for his discovery of what they call Antiguanite. It's their version of a Petoskey stone, or a petrified coral, if you will. It's very pretty. It's got a lot of different colors, and so he owns this shop down there. It's not too far from where the cruise ships park. It's probably about it's less than a quarter mile. So we're gonna head down there and go see what he's got, and let's go have some fun.
So we just gotten off the cruise ship and we're walking down the dock. So I just wanted to take some videos here and just give you some perspective of our journey down the dock and our way into St. John's, Antigua. So these guys they're playing the drums as we walked by. It was pretty cool. These beach towns on these islands are really quite populated and busy little epicenters of the islands. The pedestrians are literally just walking along, next to the cars, and it's very congested in certain places. So it's just a lot different than what we're used to in the United States. So we just got into this intersection, and we're going to turn right here and start heading towards Hans' shop. It's called the Goldsmitty. It's that little black sign, as I zoom in here, down that street. I've been there many times, so it's very familiar to me to get there. If you haven't been there before and you want to go there, definitely just kind of research where it's at. But if you're coming in on a cruise ship, it's really not that far. It's a quarter-mile walk. In fact, you can see the cruise ships right now as we walk down the sidewalk. And there's just literally so many shops here. If you're a shopper, this is definitely your place. But this particular jewelry shop is so cool. He custom makes everything himself, and he's really got an artistic eye for the jewelry arts. And there's his shop right there, and we're just about ready to walk in. Just to give you a little bit of context, as we're walking in, my dad had sold Hans several opals in the past. And typically, every time he's down there on a cruise, he'll bring him some opals. And this particular time, Hans is not there. And
thank you.
We're not exactly sure why he's not there, but
checking it out. It's a cool place.
He has a shop up in Boston, and from what we're made to understand, this particular time he's in Holland. So.
In 2011 by the owner designer Smit. He sent the piece to Harvard, and they too confirmed that it's actual petrified coral.
Wow.
So he trademarked the stone in the US, so we're the only one on the island who have the stone.
Wow.
And these are all the stones, and on the other side is in 14 karat gold also.
This is really neat.
And until they cut the stone,
So
exactly.
Where's this found on the island?
He never really say, but
No,
he doesn't.
Oh, it's fantastic. Let me get a picture.
Sure. Are you on the ship today?
Yeah.
What ship are you on?
The Royal Caribbean.
Nice.
So yeah, it's really a neat thing.
And until you cut the stone, exactly what color, pattern variation you're gonna get. So it's never too light.
Yeah, it seems like an interesting thing. Can I take some pictures of it?
Sure.
Okay. maybe I'll try to do that and maybe buy one. I'm not sure.
Sure.
So you said these are 14 karat gold?
Yes, those are 14 karat gold.
So Antiguanite is agatized or petrified coral, and it really is a brilliant cabochon when it's finished nicely. It has great colors. It's got a hexagonal pattern to
That's
it.
very cool.
And each one is different. So
Some smaller samples.
most of his work is done in 14 karat gold, yellow and white. And he's really just got a great eye for the pieces that he creates.
Oh, maybe that one. Maybe the blue one. That's an Australian black.
Yeah.
Walking over to a display cabinet now where Hans has some conch pearl jewelry that he's created. Hans is probably one of the most creative users of 14 karat gold with the conch pearl. He's created a very unique setting and style for the conch pearl, and it's very noteworthy to take a look at some of the ways that he's set these pearls in these amazing pieces.
Well, here we are in front of the Goldsmitty shop. Kind of bummed out that he's not here. Would have liked to have seen Hans and interviewed him. So maybe next time.